I am convinced that one of the very best things that we can do for ourselves is setting our heart in a posture of gratitude. One of the easiest ways that we can actively be pursuing and practicing gratitude is to use a gratitude journal. Now, it could be as easy as writing down 5 things every morning that we're thankful for. And when we do this in the morning, it's so powerful because it's actually setting the tone for our entire day. The next awesome thing that we can do for our bodies is to just get in a glass of water before we drink anything caffeinated, anything with coffee, tea, things like that. It's really, really great for our bodies and just for our health to get in some water very first thing in the morning. So then one of my favorite things to do to set the tone, again, the atmosphere for the day, is just diffusing some essential oils. This is one of my favorite combinations. It's lavender and then stress away. If you don't have stress away, it is basically a combination of vanilla, lime, and then some really great grounding oils. And it's just such a beautiful scent. Mixed with vanilla, it is just absolutely incredible. So I love getting my diffuser started, setting this morning routine. The house smells nice and yummy. It is refreshing, it's relaxing, and just a great start to the day. Then heading on to tea. Now, I am a big coffee lover, but I'm also recently loving tea and just loving the, real health benefits of specific teas. And so this morning I was doing an organic green tea. It is awesome if you're needing that little bit of caffeine boost, but don't want to be jittery from coffee and things like that. Next thing I always love to do in the fall is turning on the fireplace. And then when possible, I love to cozy up with a good book. Books are just a beautiful way to really inspire us and, allow us to dream big, and we can just get lost in books. And so I love being intentional, just trying to get in some reading where I can. And if I can do it in the morning, it just makes my day so much happier. So I'll go ahead and take my hair down. Now, as you can see, I've gotten some loose curls from the day before. Now, this is one of my favorite hair hacks of all time. I just throw in my extensions. If I'm being super honest, sometimes I won't even put a brush through my hair if I've kind of wrapped it up in a bun at night. But I can just let down my hair, use the curls from the day before, and then my extensions also stay curled. And then I might have to do a few touch-ups, and then maybe not. Sometimes it just kind of depends. But this is my favorite beauty hack, and I love adding some length and volume to my hair. All right, ladies, I hope you enjoyed that cozy fall morning routine, and I will see you guys next time.